Welcome to the third video of visualization in Python. So in this video we are going to see how to plot a histogram. So first I will import all the necessary libraries like pandas, numpy and matplotlib, pyplot and seaborn. So after that I will create one dummy data frame. So this will create one dummy data frame, that is df. So if I now check for df, so this is how my data looks like. So this is my data. So it have 5 columns that have category, age, income, score, and savings. So if I want to plot a histogram, so let's see what is histogram. So a histogram is a classic visualization tool that represents the distribution of one or more variables by counting the number of observations that falls within that discrete bins. So histogram basically do the create a bins and it will plot all the variable or observation that comes under that particular bins in a single bar. So let's see how to plot a histogram. So we will use Seaborn library. So I will use sns dot histplot. Within parentheses, I have to give the data is equal to, in this case, the df, that is my data frame. Then the x variable is, I will take the age from this data frame. So I have to give the age. So let's see what will we get. If I run this code, let's see. Yeah, we got a histogram like this. So it has a histogram, it shows the distribution of the age column. So by this histogram we will understand that we have the nearly 8 bins of here. So if I want to change the number of bins, I can give the bins is equal to the number of bins I want. So for example I will give 5. So it will change the number of bins to the 5. So by this histogram we can understand the distribution of the age. So here from the 0, like 15 to 25, we can say we have 20, 27 observation, 25 observation, like that. It show all the observation that comes under that bin. So this is the use of the histogram. By using histogram we can understand about the distribution, how the data is distributed. So by this we can understand about the skewness, or the whether that is constantly distributed or whether there is any skewness in the data, like that. So then let's see how to plot a histogram. So how can you get a histogram for all the columns data? So here I used only one column. So if I want to get a histogram for all the columns, how can I get that? So I just simply use the for loop for that. So I will use for I in, means each element in df dot, df means my data frame. I will select all the columns. So for each column I want a histogram. So I will use sns dot histplot. Within that the data is equal to data frame, then take x variable each time as I. So here I have more than one plot. I will use plt dot show to show all the plot. So if I run this code, I will get a histogram for all the category, like for category and for the age and for the income and for the score and at last for the savings. So this is how we can get a histogram at one single code by just using for loop before the histogram. For each column we will plot a histogram. So this is how we can get a histogram of each column. So this is about this video. In this video we learned about how we can plot a histogram by using Seaborn library. So if you want to change any customization, you can change it. You can change the color. We can change, if you want to add a KDE line, means kernel destiny estimator, you can just use KDE is equal to, just use true. It will give the line for each, like the kernel destiny line for each chart. So this is how we can do some customization. If you want to learn about more about this, you can go to the library, like documentation of this Seaborn library, and you will find all the information relating to how we can do customization and all. So in this video just this, so stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.